I had the pleasure to present here at the conference the cashless payments and the Cashless Poland program and what we have achieved in Poland according to the cashless payments development. And it is very important to say that in Poland we have introduced many innovative solutions, and cashless society is built in a cooperation of the government support from the Ministry of Finance, but also from banking sector and for companies like Visa and MasterCard, for acquirers also. So it is a platform of close cooperation, which in effect brings very good results in increase of the cashless payments in Poland. And it's very important to say that in 2020 we have reached for the first time in history the moment then cashless payments were higher than the amount of the cash payments in Poland. Cashless payments means innovation, means more customer-friendly solutions for customers, for citizens, but also it's good for government because of the reducing of the shadow economy. So building cashless society adds to the growth of the economy, but it also adds to the quality of life of citizens and for the quality of businesses for entrepreneurs.